Hey friends, I just got back from shopping at the Dollar Tree to find some quick and easy DIY supplies. And today I'm sharing 5 simple Dollar Tree crafts that are perfect if you don't have a lot of time, but you still want that cozy autumn vibe. Let's get started. For our first DIY, we're making a copper pumpkin, and it's so simple. I picked up this disco ball cup from the party section at Dollar Tree, and I thought the little imprints looked just like hammered copper. What you'll need is a disco ball cup, which I found in the party section, a faux pumpkin stem, some copper spray paint, and I used Ace brand since it was the most affordable. And all I did was remove the straw, give the cup 2 coats of copper spray paint, and let it dry. Then I just hot glued the stem into the straw hole, and that's it. You've got a chic little copper pumpkin for just a few dollars. For our second DIY, I am making these stackable pumpkins that look just like terracotta pots, and honestly, they turn out so good. What you'll need is a pack of the Dollar Tree stackable pumpkins, some orange paint, baking soda, and flour. First, I mixed the orange paint with the baking soda. This gives the plastic pumpkins that rough, chalky texture, kind of like a clay pot. And once the paint was completely dry, I rubbed flour all over the pumpkins, patted off the excess, and then used a dry paper towel to gently wipe them down until I got the terracotta look I wanted. I love how quick and easy this was, but it makes the pumpkins look super high-end. I didn't paint the stems at first, but now that I'm looking at it, I think I might go back and add some paint there as well. I'm Julie from Simply Julie Marie. I would love it if you would like this video and hit the subscribe button if you are enjoying the fall DIYs. For our third DIY, I'm making some pretty fall candle holders that are really simple but will really elevate your decor. You're going to need 2 black candlesticks. I grabbed 2 different heights, 2 pieces of floral foam, some fall leaves or floral picks, and then some candles or some pumpkins for the display. To start, I hot glued the floral foam right on top of each candlestick. As you can see, I started out using just leaves, but honestly, I wasn't loving how this was turning out. And since I already used up most of my florals on the fall wreath I made, which I'll link below in case you missed that video, I had to get a little creative, so I went out to the garage and I grabbed these baskets that I had thrifted a while back and pulled out some florals from there. It actually worked out even better, and I love that I was able to reuse what I had already had on hand, and I didn't have to go purchase anything. I just worked my way around the floral foam, starting with 3 main flowers as my base, and then filled in around those with the smaller picks and leaves. This helped it look balanced and gives it that nice full arrangement without being too overwhelming. These can be styled with candles, or you could use them as stands to display pumpkins. Either way, they make such a pretty fall centerpiece, and I love how customizable they are depending on what you already have at home. For our 4th DIY, we're going to give some plain pumpkins a little upgrade using fall-themed napkins and decoupage glue. I really wanted to give these pumpkins a vintage look, so I picked up this pack of napkins from Amazon, and I'll link them below for you. Dollar Tree did have a few fall-themed napkins, but they didn't have quite the look I was going for. All I did was cut out the pieces I wanted from the napkins and glued them onto the pumpkin with decoupage glue. You can cover the whole pumpkin if you want, but I chose to place smaller pieces around for a more delicate look. And then to finish it off, I just brushed on a little bit of brown paint to soften the edges of the napkin and give the pumpkin that aged vintage feel. This was super simple, but such a pretty upgrade and something you could do very quickly. For our final DIY, you will need some plain candles from the Dollar Tree and some rub-on transfers. These fall ones I found on Amazon, which again I'll link below for you. And all I did was simply cut out the images from the rub-on transfer that I wanted to add to the candle, and then used a wooden stick to rub them onto the candles. I love how this gives the candles a fall flair, and I have also done this with Dollar Tree rub-on transfers. I just couldn't find any fall themed ones. I did do a video of a bunch of candle DIYs and updates on repurposing candles, and I will link that video below for you as well. Thanks for watching, and I would love to know which DIY was your favorite. Comment below, and don't forget to like and follow for more easy, budget-friendly fall crafting ideas.